Hello, this is a quick video to show how to flatten faces in Blender. This is the first scene in Blender. I delete the default object and I add another object. Go to Add, Merge. I will use Torus. I close up to view it. And then if you want to make some of the faces flatten, make sure that we select the object and go to Edit Mode and switch to Face Selection. And then we can select the faces that we want to make them flatten. I will use Scale tool, but I press Shortcut S to use the Scale tool and click it. And then we can get the Resize panel, open it. In the orientation, we can switch to normal. In the scale itself, we can adjust it or type it to 0. So we can get the flattened faces. This is how we can flatten faces in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.